In this video, I will be sharing with you how to clean your Yamaha EX Deluxe WaveRunner after having it out on the water. We use a cover on the WaveRunner while in transit and in storage. This cover is an off-brand, and I will link it below for you. It fits a 2019 Yamaha EX Deluxe. If you are planning on getting a cover for transit, make sure you buy one that has the underbelly straps to secure it while moving. It's easier to put on if you have two people. We find it easier to secure the front first and then work your way back. Here's the under straps, very easy to use. This would be a good point in the video to also mention to open up your drain plugs that are on the back of your WaveRunner at this time so that as you're transporting it home, it is draining on the way home as well. Now that we've gotten it back home, we will rinse down the entire jet ski. We've already taken off the seat and rinsed it down, and you also want to rinse down the trailer. The cleaning process is critical, especially if you're coming out of salt water. The next step we take is to use soap and water and to gently wash down the entire jet ski. After washing, do the final rinse. Now we will run water through the internal system. You will want to use this attachment for your hose into the jet ski to flush out the interior system. Before you attach the hose, start your jet ski one time to kind of get out all that extra water. You want to be very careful. This is a very time-sensitive process if you do not have water hooked up to it. You only want to start it for about 15 to 30 seconds and then shut it off. This is where you will be placing the hose. You'll want to make sure your water is off to the hose while you attach this to the jet ski. If the water was left on while attaching this to the jet ski, you have a chance of flooding it out. You will turn the jet ski on first and then turn the water on and let the jet ski run for a good 3 to 5 minutes with the water flushing out the internal system. You will start to see water coming out of the back of the WaveRunner. You will also see water coming out of the side here. With water flowing out of those two spots, you will know that you are flushing your WaveRunner correctly. You may see some smoke coming out with the water, and that is normal. After you have rinsed it out, you shut the water off first and then shut your jet ski off. Now you can gently wipe all of the water away. This is our final step where we will try to get all of the extra water out that we possibly can by tipping the jet ski. be the final wipe down, and using a blower is also something that you can try to get all of that extra water off. The final step in the process is to use this SC1 High Gloss Coating Spray. You'll want to spray this over the entire internal parts area. This spray will make everything look brand new with a high gloss finish. It protects against all of the weather elements. I think this is an important part of the process. It helps with upkeep and the maintenance of your WaveRunner, and if you ever go to sell it, it's going to look brand new. It's going to look like you knew what you were doing and taking care of it really well. You can spray any part of your WaveRunner with this product, and it's going to bring back that nice high gloss brand new look. We are now at the end of the process. We hope you found this video helpful. For more reviews, please subscribe and hit that like button.